In this video, I will show you how to export data from Google Fit. First, open your Google Fit app. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the second icon from the left. That's your journal, where you will see a history of all your activities. Go ahead and select any activity you want to export, like a walk, run, or workout. Once you're inside the activity details, look at the top and tap on the share icon. Here, you will notice an option to change the highlight color. This can make your export look a bit more personalized. When you're ready, tap Share at the upper right corner of the screen. Now you will see a list of apps and platforms you can send your data to, whether it's messaging apps, email, or cloud storage. Just pick the one you prefer, and your Google Fit data will be exported right away. And that's how to export data from Google Fit.